friends, today I am showing you a quick recipe, biscuit cake. For this you will need glucose biscuit crumbs, 3 tablespoons sugar, half cup milk, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, vanilla extract, fruit salt 1 teaspoon. First we will put this crumb in a bowl, add sugar, add cocoa powder, some drops of vanilla extract, one teaspoon fruit salt, and in the last we will add half cup milk. Mix well. Now we will pour this mixture in a microwave safe dish. Give a tap and bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. Cake is ready. You can decorate it with chocolate syrup.